everyone is having a wonderful day. I was reading again on Climate Kids that food is a fuel that keeps our bodies running. It gives us energy to do all the things we like to do, like running, playing sports, or skipping rope. Without eating our fruits and vegetables, we can't do the things we love. I love playing. It's so fun. NASA measures on land our soil moisture, flooding, groundwater, and crop health. This way it helps old MacDonald learn about soil and weather, and how he can plant more food and less water. Next time, instead of eating candy or chips, eat a sweet berry and make your own chips in the oven with an adult. Teach them to eat better and show them what you've learned. Okay, dinos, now let's get back to our worksheet. First, let's write our names. I chose brown to write my name. What color did you choose? Oh, I really truly love that color. Now that we're done, let's read the directions. Green H, what do you see? I see a brown horse staring at me. Let's read it one more time. Green H, what do you see? I see a brown horse staring at me. What does it tell us to color? Green H. That's right, green. Grab your green crayon. Just remember, try to color inside the lines. But if you can't, that's alright. Practice makes perfect. Don't we love green? Can you tell me what color an object that's green? That's right. There's a green light. There's broccoli. That's right, there's a turtle. Can you name another animal that's green? Or a reptile? That's right, a frog. A snake? How about vegetables? That's right. Cucumbers? Peas? Can you name a fruit that's green? It starts with green. That's right, a green apple. My dinos are so smart. I love my dinos. Great job! The green H looks amazing. Now, what do we color the horse? Let's read. I see a brown horse staring at me. What color do you color the horse? That's right, brown. Grab your brown crayon and let's color Mr. Horse. While we're coloring Mr. Horse, do you want to hear a horse joke? Okay, are you dinos ready? What did the horse say to the other horse? Hey! Haha! That was a pretty funny joke, wasn't it? Can you tell me a joke about a horse? Or any joke? Okay, let's hear it. Oh, that was a funny joke. Thanks for sharing. Now that we're done coloring the horse's body, I'm going to color his snout black and his hair. What color are you going to color it? Oh, his hooves too. The inside of his ears pink, and his mouth too. What color did you choose? Oh, I like that color. Now for the fun fact. Horses eat hay and grasses. Have you ever eaten hay and grass? Yeah, it doesn't taste too good. but to horses, it's amazing. Now we're coloring our favorite part. We're going to color the background. Remember, you can color anything you like on the background. It's up to your imagination. For me, I'm drawing haystacks. Because horses like to eat hay. In the hay, I'm drawing pitchforks. They look like big forks, so you can move hay from one part to another. For the entire background, I'm coloring it a forest green, just so it looks like grass. I love every shade of green, don't you? Since we're coloring the grass, I want to ask how your day is. Have you done anything fun today? Oh, that sounds like fun. Oh, that too. Well, I'm glad you're having a good day. If not, it's okay. Know that I'm here with you, my dinos, and you can always come to me for anything. And you have each other. We are all dinos, and we are the same. Do you dinos like my little patches of green grass? Isn't it fun? We're almost done with the background. Whoa, check out your worksheet. It looks amazing. I can't wait to see you dinos next week. Bye, my dinos.
Hi, everyone. To subscribe to Dino Jr. for more activities, songs, and dance parties, press the button here. For the next video, press here. Thanks!